Dina Okba. I'm a miniaturist and I do the art of recycle. If this is the first time you know me, so see my videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. I need a lot of comments. I need a lot of activity on my channel, because this will help me a lot and help the channels to grow up. So hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. And I need your opinion and what we can do, what else we can do. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, guys. Let's start. This is a foam. I just make it from foam plates. I cut it square like that, and I have a block of wood. I just press on it, so I have here the shape, because I'm planning to make the plates where I can put those cold meats. Now I have to glue it like this from here, and I put it on the table using the heat gun, not the air dryer. I just make the foam a little bit soft, and I put a little bit pressure with my hand to shape the plate. Okay. Now I remove it, and I try to remove the excess from up like this, and make it like curvy on the sides. With this tool, I just press here, so it will be like with an angle. The plate will be with an angle, and I use this tool for nails, trim. I sand it, then it become like that. Now I'll make a couple of them, and I'll keep them, and I will use them. Here I'm using the cold porcelain. I color it here with food color, slightly pink color. And here I'm using the colors, pastel color, putting light, little bit of dark red. Now I use these cookie cutters, and I will cut them round, a small one. I like to use the cold porcelain in here because it's very soft, and it take very well the texture when I'm using it. I have to put them now here on top of each other, because I have to dust the color here with little bit brown, because I have to dust and color the edges of them. Don't press on them, otherwise they will be stuck together. Just only because I didn't do a cane. Now I remove them, and I put them here. Still they are soft, so it's very easy to glue them. They'll stuck without any glue. Well, if they are a little bit hard, then you can use PVA glue, or you can use water. Now in my part of the world, they are selling the cold meat like that in this kind of plate, and they put the price on top of it. Now let's go and make another kind. Just mix the white with little bit pink, and here some color, pastel color and brown, maroon and brown. Not too much, because the cold porcelain, when you color it, when it dries, it becomes more darker than when it's wet, when it's still soft. So we have to put this in consideration. I just have to flat it like that, not too much. I mean, I have to leave some kind of ½ inch. Use the cookie cutter, and I cut them. Now when I'm working and suppose that it dries, I use a little bit water. Now this is a made before olive. I make them green olive. I make them with the salt dough. They're dry, so I put them here, and I put pressure with the spatula, and I will have to make on the edges a little bit darker. I do the second one, and the edges a little bit darker, and I put them in the plate. This is the third one. See how it is a little bit thick, because I'm going to put black pepper, but it's not black pepper. This is mustard seeds. They are nice and they're very soft. I put them, and when I put pressure on them, it breaks. So inside is white. So it's exactly, it gives the feeling of black pepper. Look at that. It crashes like you know. You don't worry about all these things because once you it dries, it will stick together. Now I have to give a little bit of the texture with this brush. It's a metal brush, and I will put them in the plate. Here we go. That's an old one, I have done it before. Now I take a little bit white and I do like this. Now I want to make some kind of uh, cold meat which has some fats inside. So I do it like this. I make them very thin. I put them inside here like layers. Little bit of water, very little. I turn it and I try to mix them together, but not the pressure. Don't put pressure. Here we go. Now we have to color outside, but it's very thin layer, so I don't want to make again another dough. So I will just roll it like that, so it will have a very thin layer of the color. So you can make it very small, and we can use it as a salami. Here we go. Very thin slice. Now I can keep it like that, or I will put little bit pressure on it, so it will become little bit flat. You see, and still it's small. Here we go. Now if I put it in the freezer, then I bring it from the freezer and I cut it, they will be round. But because here I don't have time, I'm just doing it like quickly, so I'm just cutting it with my hand and I fix it with my hand to make it round. I use the center to make some texture. This is, I have done it before, and I give it a little bit of varnish. Now I have here some dough. I put the white thing, it's like the fat as well. Different ways. See, I'm mixing it, but I'm not going to, you should not mix too much, otherwise the white will disappear. Now look how it is. It is like that. So we will cut a couple of them, making them flat, and use the cookie cutter to make them round. Again, this is a cold meat with salami, I think. Check with the sandpaper. Put them in the plate. Now make the sandpaper here is is little bit big, not small. Here we go. I love the cold beets when we eat them with the sandwich with different kind of cheese, like my old video. Now with the leftover, I just mix it and make it like this. Now here I'm trying to make the basturmi. You know, the basturmi is some kind of meat, Egyptian meat. It's like not cooked, but they just cover it with some kind of spices and all those things, and they leave it in the air outside for a couple of days till it cook. So here how it is looks like. Now I will show you when I cut it. Okay, so normally we just cook it with eggs, see it is like that from inside. It can be with the cover as well because it's spices, so there's no harm. Here we go. Now we have to give here some color because it's a little bit darker and a little bit red from inside in the center. It's like cold meat. It's not cooked. Now this is the one I did it before, and that's the new one. You see the color a little bit dries. When it dries, it's a little bit darker. You see that? Now here we go. It is like this. Now I have to give here with these two little bit textures. See, this is the pastrami on top the picture, the real one. Here we go. First one I did, the second one is still soft, that's why the color is a little bit more bright. Now this is an eraser. I have it and I color on top with a little bit of brown, then I cut it like this. So it's like a turkey kind of. And I put them in a plate like this one. So we have done here with our collection of cold meats. Luncheon, pastrami, salami, turkey, other stuff, different kind of luncheon with olive, with black pepper. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please support me by spreading my videos and telling people about my channel. Say mashallah. And tell me in the description box what else we can do. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Watching. If you really like the video, please like, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.